Have you ever wondered how some people get jaw-dropping results from AI while others barely scratch the surface? The secret isn't luck, it's technique. And one of the most powerful techniques to supercharge AI's intelligence is called few-shot prompting. Today, I'll show you how it works, why it's a game changer, and most importantly, how you can master it to unlock AI's true potential. This is part of our prompt engineering video series. If you have not watched the previous videos, please check the prompt engineering playlist linked above. In the world of large language models, the way you ask determines the answer you get. A prompt isn't just a question. It's instructions, context, and guidance. Zero-shot prompting means giving the AI no examples. Few-shot prompting means showing the AI a handful of carefully chosen examples before asking it to generate something new. Think of it like teaching a student. You don't just tell them the formula, you walk them through a few examples first. Core concept. Here's the magic. With just 2 to 5 examples, AI can mimic styles, solve problems more accurately, and even reduce hallucinations. For example, want AI to summarize in a specific tone? Show it a few sample summaries. Want it to solve math word problems step by step? Show it a couple of worked out examples. Want it to write in Shakespearean English? Just give it a few lines and watch it adapt instantly. It's like giving the model a mini training session, on the spot, inside your prompt. Benefits of few-shot prompting. Few-shot prompting is powerful because it improves accuracy by anchoring the model to relevant patterns, reduces bias by steering the model toward the examples you provide, gives control over tone and style without fine-tuning, boosts creativity since the model can remix the examples into new outputs. The result? Smarter, more reliable, and more aligned AI responses. Examples in action. Let's try out a few. First, let's ask ChatGPT to write a response to a customer who is upset that their package is late. Now let's give 2 examples and see how it responds. It gives a response following the style we gave in the example. Let's try a classification task. Classify the sentence. The movie was a complete waste of time. See the response it gave. Now let's give some examples showing how we need to classify it. Here you go, just like we wanted. In every case, the few-shot prompt acts as a blueprint. Mastering few-shot prompting. Now here's the part that separates casual users from true AI masters. How do you master few-shot prompting? Follow these 4 principles. Choose clear examples. Keep them short, focused, and error-free. Stay consistent. Use the same structure, tone, or step-by-step format in your examples. Limit to 2 to 5 shots. Too many examples overwhelm the model. Test and refine. Slightly tweak your examples and watch how the model adapts. Pro tip: combine few-shot prompting with chain-of-thought techniques. For example, show the model how to reason step by step, and it will copy that reasoning pattern. So the next time you're prompting AI, don't just ask, teach. Few-shot prompting is your secret weapon to unlock more accurate, more human-like, and more creative results. If this inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to master AI prompting, because the future belongs to those who know how to talk to machines. And now, you're one step closer.